All right, hi everyone. Starting with your forecast off with a look at the Atlantic Basin. Two storms now that we're tracking. Hurricane Gabrielle, still a Category 2 hurricane, so it weakened a little bit over the course of today. 100-mile-an-hour wind moving east toward the Azores. Back to its path in a second. Umberto, a newly classified tropical storm. That came out at 5 o'clock from the Hurricane Center. Umberto, something that we need to watch along the East Coast, but of course Gabrielle, all interest in the Azores, watching potentially a Category 1 hurricane on Friday, moving over parts of the island chain and then weakening, heading toward Portugal. Umberto is forecast to become a Category 2 hurricane by early next week on Monday. So there's Bermuda right there, that little speck. Most of the forecast guidance, if not all of it, curves this storm out to sea, but there may be a secondary storm system to its southwest near the Bahamas. That is something for us to watch closely next week as well. Before we get to more on that, let's talk about the rainfall from earlier today. These are some of the spotter reports we got in. Coventry over 2 inches of rain. North Kingstown 1.6. Cranston and Johnston around 1 inch to 1.25 inches. Only about 1/10 of an inch of rain roughly in westerly. So right along the immediate Rhode Island coastline, much less. Now here in Bristol County, Mass, about 1 inch to nearly 2 inches of rain from Taunton on the low end to Dighton on the higher end at 1.8 roughly. New Bedford, you're around 1.6 inches of rainfall with a little bit of heavy mist falling right now. Only 68 the high today, 72 the average, but 87 the record high from 1959. There's that misty scene over New Bedford from our People's Credit Union sky cam where it is 65 degrees, the humidity at 97%. There's not going to be much wiggle room with these temperatures now. We're essentially going to stay put in the middle 60s for the overnight time frame. Maybe drop a degree or two, with steadier showers returning after midnight. So it's misty and foggy, damp certainly now. We're in between the first batch and the secondary one that's moving in now. So there's the earlier rain today moving away. This entire system moves in overnight and is with us for the morning drive, followed by scattered storms along this boundary to the southwest. That'll press through here in the afternoon and through tomorrow night. So all told, another 1 to 2 inches or slightly more inches of rainfall possible by tomorrow into tomorrow night. So that's on top of this already saturated ground. There certainly could be some poor drainage flooding on the roads once again for your morning commute and at times through the afternoon. Better news still, though, for Friday and the weekend as we dry out and the sunshine returns. All right, so Thursday's 12-hour forecast, highs near 70, periods of rain, some of which will be heavy at times, like here at 7 a.m. During the morning drive. Definitely could be slower than usual on the roads. Then we tap into a slightly warmer and certainly more humid air mass heading into the afternoon on Friday. We're looking at brighter sky. So Friday morning damp, Friday afternoon warm, 75 to 80 on Friday, with a continuation of these above average temperatures for the weekend. Saturday's highs should be somewhere in that ballpark of about 77 degrees as well. A dry weekend on tap, although a little bit more cloud cover by Sunday. Narragansett Bay, a gusty south-southeast wind. It's that subtle wind shift from mostly east today to more of a southerly direction tomorrow that's going to boost our temperatures up. But it's a little gusty on the bay. Temperature around 71 tomorrow, 80 on Friday with that sunshine coming out. And the weekend, again, a little brighter Saturday, a little cloudier Sunday with a high of 75. Monday's looking cloudy and eventually cooler. The middle of next week is going to feel a little bit more like fall with Wednesday's high near 64. That's your latest forecast.